Introducing the Oukitel WP100 Titan, a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of what a rugged device can achieve. Built for adventurers and professionals alike, this phone is engineered to endure the harshest environments while offering cutting-edge features. Its most standout attribute is the jaw-dropping 33,000 mAh battery, which provides an unparalleled 6 months of standby time, making it an ideal companion for those venturing off the grid. The WP100 Titan isn't just about battery life, it also boasts a 100-lumen built-in projector that allows users to project media or presentations, enhancing both work and leisure activities. Complementing this is a powerful 1200-lumen camping light, perfect for illuminating outdoor settings or emergencies. With a 6.8-inch FHD Plus display featuring a 120 Hz refresh rate, users can expect smooth scrolling and immersive viewing. Under the hood, the WP100 Titan is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample space for apps, media, and files. Its robust design is backed by IP68/IP69K and MIL-STD-810H certifications, guaranteeing water, dust, and shock resistance. The device measures 178.3 x 84.18 x 34 mm and weighs around 867 grams, emphasizing its rugged build but making it noticeably heavier than conventional smartphones. For those needing a device that can withstand the elements while offering premium performance, the WP100 Titan stands out as a compelling option. When it comes to connectivity and other features, the Oukitel WP100 Titan doesn't disappoint. It supports 5G connectivity, allowing for blazing fast data speeds and smooth streaming even in remote areas. Additionally, the device features dual SIM support, ensuring users can manage both personal and work numbers with ease. The inclusion of NFC enables contactless payments, and the phone is equipped with a customizable side key for quick access to essential functions. Connectivity extends to Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and GPS, enhancing location accuracy and offering a comprehensive suite of modern capabilities. Security is prioritized with both a fingerprint scanner and facial recognition technology, allowing for quick and secure device access. The WP100 Titan's substantial battery supports 120W fast charging, reducing downtime and ensuring you stay connected longer. Its design includes reinforced corners and a tough exterior, while the side-mounted fingerprint sensor provides convenience and added protection. Pricing for the Oukitel WP100 Titan starts at $599 for early adopters through its Kickstarter campaign, offering a cost-effective entry point for a device that blends ruggedness with advanced features. Shipments are expected to begin in April 2025, giving enthusiasts an exciting product to look forward to. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a field worker, or simply someone who values battery longevity and durability, the WP100 Titan delivers on its promise of reliability and cutting-edge technology. Performance-wise, the Oukitel WP100 Titan holds its ground against other rugged smartphones. Its MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor provides a smooth and responsive user experience, handling demanding applications and multitasking with ease. With 16 GB of RAM, the phone can run multiple apps simultaneously without lag, while the 512 GB of storage offers plenty of room for large files and extensive media libraries. The device's camera system is equally impressive, featuring a 200MP primary sensor that captures sharp and detailed images even in challenging conditions. Supporting the main camera is a 20MP night vision sensor for low-light photography, a 2MP macro lens for close-up shots, and a 32MP front-facing camera for high-resolution selfies. These versatile lenses allow users to capture a wide range of scenes with clarity and precision. The WP100 Titan runs on a custom version of Android, integrating AI features to optimize battery usage and improve overall efficiency. Its software includes enhanced security protocols, customizable UI options, and productivity tools designed to meet the needs of professional users. With its combination of advanced hardware, innovative features, and rugged durability, The Oukitel WP100 Titan is a game changer in the world of rugged smartphones. For more in-depth reviews and the latest tech insights, stay tuned to Tech Vibe, your go-to channel for everything cutting edge in the tech world.